2, and 3. So, yeah, tignan natin yan. So, you have 6. So, angel number again, 55, no, Leo. May message sa iyo ang iyong angel guides, no, Leo, 55. And number, I think this is number 9, yeah. So, you have this, no, 6, 55, and 9, no. So, when kapag nakita nyo to, no, mga Leo natin, no, so repeatedly, no, within this week ay may marireceive kayong something good news, no, or positive news, no, something like that, no, within this week. Or if not, na kayo ay wala kayong ma-receive, maybe a member of your family, no, or someone in your circle, no. Basta pag may nakita kayo na repeatedly na ganito mga numbers, no, within this week, no. So, yeah, that's it, no. So, yan ang reading for you today, mga Leo natin. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with your reading. So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Leo. So, yeah, no, let's continue with you, Sagittarius. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Sag natin? So, tignan natin, no, what's your career situation, no, mga Sag, no? So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Sag, no? Sa mga Sagittarius natin dyan. 3 cards for Sagittarius, please. For Sagittarius. 3 cards for Sagittarius. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, step by step reaching your goals, no. So, sinasabi dito, Sag, no, so, magtyagaan nyo lang, no, wag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, no. Wag din maiinip because wala naman instant na marireceive talaga or marireach natin ang goals, no. Pinaghihirapan talaga yan, no. So, you have to be patiently, no, and then, of course, magtiyaga, no, something like that, no, para ma-reach nyo ang inyong goal, no. So, step by step lang naman talaga yan. So, talagang ganun talaga ang buhay, right? No, walang instant. So, what else? So, wait, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, wait for the right time, 'di ba? So, wag talagang maiinip, no? Basta do your thing, do your job, no? And then step by step, no? Patiently, no? Do it, no? Whatever it is, no? And then the right time will come, no? Makukuha mo rin yan.